Multi-cookers are amazing because they allow you to slow cook, steam, sauté, and sometimes even pressure cook, roast, make yogurt, and air fry. They can work their magic whether you're in the kitchen or out of the house, which makes them incredibly convenient.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best multi-cookers in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart CPC-900 6QT. Stainless steel and gray with an intuitive digital interface, Cuisinart's multi-cooker cooked superbly in all our tests. The rice was tender and fluffy, the chickpeas made creamy hummus, and the chicken pulled perfectly. It's easy to program with just 4 buttons that are self-explanatory even without peeking at the manual. The inner pot is dishwasher safe and the lid is easy to clean because of its streamlined design. It was the well-designed lid that ultimately put this model at the top of our charts. It opens, closes, and locks with a simple twist of the top knob. There's no struggling to attach it and no question if it's locked or not. Number 2. Ninja FD302. This stainless steel multi-cooker boasts a contemporary design that's intuitive to use and yields consistent results. It comes with a crisping lid, pressure lid, non-stick cook and crisp plate, and a nesting broil rack. It has 11 preset functions, including pressure cook, air fry, crisp, steam, slow cook, yogurt, sear, bake, broil, dehydrate, sous vide, and keep warm. We appreciated the roomy 6.5 quart capacity, enough to hold a 5-pound whole chicken or 6-pound roast, or to air fry 3 pounds of hand-cut French fries. It performed well during the cook test, yielding evenly cooked, fluffy rice with minimal clumps, golden crisp fries, and tender chickpeas. We found that we needed to add a few extra minutes cook time to the pressure-cooked chicken breast recipe, but once cooked, they were juicy and shredded easily. We liked that the crisping lid is attached to the base, and easily lifts up and automatically pauses during cooking. All accessories, as well as the inner cooking pot, are dishwasher safe, but the non-stick finish on the inner pot and crisping plate makes hand washing a cinch. Number 3. Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker. The packaging tells you this machine is going to be sleek and modern. All black with a seamless digital interface that communicates every stage of cooking. It's the smartest model we tested and performed well in all our tests. The inner pot is non-stick and owners can download the Chef IQ app to their phone and sync with the multi-cooker to access recipes and more than 100 presets. It can also store your favorite recipes and even has a built-in scale to make instant calculations and suggested settings and cooking times if you're winging it. Number 4. Crock-Pot 209 7588. This multi-cooker is relatively inexpensive for being so versatile and offering such a large cooking capacity. It offers 15 cooking presets, half of which utilize pressure cooking for faster cook times and consistent results. You can use this cooker to brown, sauté, slow cook, simmer, boil, make yogurt, keep warm, cook meat, make beans/chili, make soup, make rice, make dessert, steam, and even sterilize items like baby bottles or canning jars. It also has manual control of temperature and pressure, along with a delay timer. A steam release dial on top of the cooker allows you to keep your hands away from the steam. Number 5. DeLonghi Livenza 7-in-1. This cooker has a dishwasher-safe cooking pot, so cleaning is easy when you're done cooking and serving. One dial controls the cooking mode, with 3 slow cooking temperatures, an oven bake mode, browning and sautéing, steaming, and rice cooking. A second dial controls the temperature, making it easy to set the cooker for any of your favorite recipes. Settings can be programmed up to 24 hours in advance, and the keep warm mode makes sure the food stays at the perfect serving temperature without overcooking. A recipe app is available with 50 recipes designed specifically for this cooker. That was our list of the top 5 best multi-cookers just for you.